teaspoons of yeast, 1 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, lemon zest, 1.5 teaspoons of oil, and lastly 3 cups of flour. How does sugar feel in your body?
Way too yummy.
Why?
Because I'm addicted to sugar.
Okay, we're gonna make sufganiyot oat in a bag. So everybody open up your Ziploc bags. All right, and we're gonna fold over the top. We're gonna make sure it can stand on its own. And now we're gonna add in 3 teaspoons of yeast. Next, we're gonna put in 1 cup of warm water. Slowly pour your warm water inside. Now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now gently crack your egg open into the cup. Let's make sure there's no shells, no red spots. All right, it's all ready. Let's pour it in the bag. Now using your pointer finger, scoop all the lemon zest into the bag of ingredients. And now we're gonna find the 1 tablespoon measure and the 1/2 tablespoon measure and spoon out 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Lastly, let's measure out 3 cups of flour. Okay friends, our ingredients are all inside. Let's seal up the bag. Try to be sure there's no air inside. Let's knead the dough together. Once your dough's all ready, put the bag into a bowl of warm water. Now we wait.
Playing, the candles are burning bright. I have a little dreidel.
Okay, our dough is ready.
Can I have a cutter?
You're gonna have a rolling pin or a cutter. Start flattening out your dough. Let's roll out our dough and cut out circles. In our deep pot, we have 2 inches of hot oil. This is a job for the grown-ups, so let's take a step back, friends. Carefully, one at a time, we're gonna place each ball of dough. All right, we're gonna fry our donuts for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they're golden brown. Our donuts are ready. Let's put them on our paper towel so that all the extra oil can come out.
And after this, we're gonna add the topping.
Our donuts are cooled. Now it's time to fill them with jelly, powdered sugar, frosting, and sprinkles.
Cradle, 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 cradle. I made it out of clay.